In this demo, we're going to look at how you can use ChatGPT to handle or help you respond to customer emails. Quite simply, we can take an email that we've received, copy and paste that into ChatGPT to help us generate the perfect response. Let me show you how. So in this example here, we then have an email that we've received from a customer. Now what we can do with this email is we can just simply copy and paste this into ChatGPT. We could also, if we wish, upload a screenshot of the email here. In this example that I've pre-prepared, we can see that we've received an email from John which talks about he's came across our website and he's looking to find better eco-home solutions to help him renovate or reduce costs. What I've done here is I've started with my prompt which says, generate a response to the following customer email for eco-home solutions. He's asked about the best friendly renovations for cost efficiency, provide a friendly, informative response that highlights the 3 popular sustainable improvements that we can provide to his business. Now in this case, our prompt has helped us understand exactly what the customer needs and how best to respond. See here how we've set the tone, informative and professional, to also help us set how ChatGPT should respond in this scenario. Now what we're going to do is enter that prompt. So you'll see as we enter that prompt, once again, ChatGPT is now writing the response for us. Now in this case, ChatGPT is structuring the content on our behalf. Now if it doesn't know information, ChatGPT can and sometimes will make up information to allow you to boilerplate or to fill in the blanks. So see here, ChatGPT has now started to talk about solar panel installation, energy efficient windows and insulation upgrades. Now looking at my initial prompt, I haven't given it that context, I haven't added that information in. Now I can use this as a boilerplate. I can go back to ChatGPT if I wish, and I can say things like, actually our services are X, Y, and Z. In this case, let's do that. Let's say our primary service is EV charger installation. So in this case, we can say that our primary focus is home chargers for EVs. In addition to that, we can also support, and you can add another service. Now again, here you're just trying to train ChatGPT. You're helping the AI system understand your services and what you do. And this goes back to the first part of this video where we talked about prompting or creating the perfect prompt. And what we can do is submit that off. Again, this just gives us more context and helps ChatGPT understand what we do to better support the email response. As you'll see here, now it's come back with a much more appropriate response, including the right detail. And that's how simple it is to use ChatGPT to help you respond or reply to an email, or simply create a new email if you need, just by using the prompts that you've seen.